When I look back, boy, I must have been green, bopping in the country, fishing in the stream, looking for an answer, trying to find a sign, until I saw your city lights. Honey, I was blind. They said, get back, honky cat, better get back to the woods. Well, I quit those days and my redneck ways, and the change's gonna do me good. Well, I read some books and I read some magazines about those high-class ladies down in New Orleans, and all the folks back home said I was a fool. They said, believe in the Lord is the golden rule. You better get back, honky cat, living in the city ain't where it's at. It's like trying to find gold in a silver mine. It's like trying to drink whiskey, oh, from a bottle of wine. They said, stay at home, boy, you gotta tend the farm. Living in the city, boy, is gonna break your heart. How can you stay when your heart says no? How can you stop when your feet say go? Then get back, honky cat, better get back to the woods. Well, I quit those days and my redneck ways, and the change's gonna do me good. You better get back, honky cat, living in the city ain't where it's at. It's like trying to find gold